Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a flip through of the Recollection Hourly Planner, and this is in 7.5 by 9.25 inches. It's the medium size. So this is the planner cover. When I look at it, I remember the coasters from Anthropology. It just reminds me of that coaster, and it says live every day here. That's nice. And then when you flip open the planner, this is the intro page 2021. You have some space to put in your name, and this cover is laminated, so you can use it as a whiteboard with dry erase markers. I love the gold coil. I just love it, and it's pretty strong actually. It's not like weak or something. It's nice and strong for the size of the planner and the weight of it. So we flip open to the yearly glance planner. I like it. I don't know what I'm going to be using it for. Usually I use this to refer to the dates and things like that. So let's see if I can find some use to it. And then we have a notes page here. I love extra note pages. And then we move on to my favorite part, the stickers. It is so beautiful. I love how this color flows. You know, it's that watercolor ombre effect. So we have game day, party time, date night. These are all blank. I'll end up using this way sooner. Very nice. I'm surprised like how many stickers we have in this planner. Then it says vacation, day off, happy birthday. Oh, I love how we have so many happy birthday stickers. It'll be really nice to mark all of them. And then we have doctor appointment, dentist appointment, hair appointment, and then just a plain appointment that you can use it for whatever you want. Then this is another sticker page. This is a mix of some decorative stickers. It says imagine, love, dream. These are some functional stickers here, arrows. It'll be nice to mark like many days in a row or time slots. I love the colors of this planner. It's very like toned down and it's really easy on your eyes. That's nice. It's like it's a neutral planner, but it's enough color, so that's what I like about it. Go be awesome. Nice. This is a pure functional sticker sheet. We have habit trackers here. Then don't forget checklists, some blank notes, and then different designs. And then we have the icon stickers. I will not use it. Probably I'll chop it off and pass it on to my nieces. They will enjoy playing with it. But these ones are nice. And then we have this blank, like it's like a sticker, like when you take out the stickers, you know, the back side of it, it's like that. I'm not sure why we have this, but I thought whenever I sit down for my weekly planning with my stickers, I can use this page to lay down all of them and just see, instead of like having thousands of sticker books on my table. So I think I'll be using this page for that. Again, let me know if you have it in your planner, if you have a Recollections planner and they give this sheet along with it. And also we have a folder. This is such a nice feature. So you can put in some notes, some cards, anything you want to keep here. So that's nice, but it's a little bit of a hassle too. I wish they just had a plain folder. Anyways, it's a little bit of added security. This is the dashboard for January, and look how minimal it is, like very little color. It's got January written in purple. If you don't like it, it can be easily covered up with a sticker. I'm actually going to use this to track my expenses, so I don't mind any color that's there. And then we move to weekly pages. This is in the hourly layout. So we have from 7 a.m. till 10 p.m. actually till 11 p.m. So we have that slot there. And again, like it's so simple, like no designs at all. That's nice. We have all the weekly pages. And then we have a notes page. So the notes page in the Recollections planner is at the end of the month, which I like. I think I would prefer this. None of the planners have had note pages after the month, so but it doesn't bother me, to be honest. And then this is the February one. Again, it's so like minimal, the colors, so easy on your eyes. It's in blue color and it's the same like throughout the month. This is for March. It's a nice one. April. It's very like playful but a little bit more minimal. That's nice. May. I love it. I love these shades. It's so pretty. June. July. It's like a paint splash. August. September. October. This is very similar to, I guess, April, but in different colors. November. Oh my god, these colors are like so pretty. I love these colors, especially the transition. It looks so beautiful. And then December. And then we also have a notes section in this planner, which I really like. So if we not like skip the count of this particular note page, which will be for December, we have around 18 notes pages. That is so nice. It is so nice. So what I'm gonna do with this planner is that I will be using the note pages towards the end for my budget. So here I'll be doing my monthly budget and then my weekly check-in. That's all I'm doing for now, so I'm just going to continue with it. Let's see if that changes. I will probably work something else out. So we have 18 pages here, so I think I'll be good to go. Let's see how I'm going to work that out. The weekly layout, I am going to be using it to just note down my schedule. Currently I'm using my Google Calendar. That's working out fine, but I want to get back to paper planning, so I'm gonna try in this for at least 3 months. Let's see how that goes. I'm planning to upload a lot of plan with me videos and stuff, and sticker hauls. I'll be placing a sticker order for during the Black Friday sale, so keep an eye out for that. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel for more planning content. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.